Let me show you how to cancel your subscription or close your account of Acorns. If you don't want to use Acorns anymore and you don't want the subscription of it, let me show you the way that you cancel it. Once you're inside the app of Acorns, you'll need to head over to the profile section, which is this person icon on the top left of the screen. Once you tap on it, you're going to be taken to your profile. Now you'll need to head over to the option called settings. Just tap on the settings option. Inside of the settings section, you'll be able to see the option called my subscription, and it's going to show you the current subscription that you have of Acorns. In order to cancel it, you'll need to tap on it and head over to the subscription section. Inside of the subscription section again, you're going to see the current subscription that you have and other subscriptions that you can upgrade or downgrade to. To cancel the subscriptions, just scroll down to the bottom of this page where you'll be able to see the option called cancel subscription on the bottom. So just tap on cancel subscription. Now it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to close your account? And it's going to say that you can also pause your activity from the linked account section. Now, if you only just want to pause your account and not just completely cancel or close your account, you can just head over to the linked account section where you can see all of the bank accounts that you link, and you can just pause it for however much you want. So the money does not get automatically invested from your bank account. So you can pause it if you want, but if you're trying to cancel it or close your account, you can just tap on yes, continue. If you do so, your investments that you made will be sold automatically from Acorns, and the total amount will be invested or transferred back to your linked accounts that you linked through the app of Acorns within 3 to 6 days. So depending upon what you want, if you want to delete or close your account, tap on yes, continue, or if you want to just pause your account, you can head over to the linked account section. That's all there is for this video. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.